So quadrilateral is a special kind of polygon. Quadrilateral means four sides and four angles. Quad means four and lateral means sides. A shape having four sides and four angles. The properties of quadrilateral are: a quadrilateral has four sides, four vertices, vertices mean corners, and four interior angle. Interior angle mean the angle that is inside the shape, and the sum of these angle equals to 360 degree. Interior angles that add to 360 degree. Next, type of quadrilaterals. So there are special types of quadrilateral: rectangle, sphere, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezoid, and kite. Some types are also included in the definition of other types. For example, a sphere, rhombus, rectangle are also parallelogram. So one by one I will explain these. So first is rectangle. So what is rectangle? A shape having four sides and four angles. So a rectangle is a four-sided shape where every angle is a right angle, mean 90 degree. All angles are in rectangle is 90 degree. And in this shape we have two pairs of parallel side. Also opposite sides are parallel and of equal length. So look at the shape. In this shape we have two lines, blue and red. On left or right we have blue lines. These two lines are parallel, and in up and down we have two red lines. These two lines are parallel, and little square show that these are right angles. Next we have sphere. So what is sphere? A sphere has equal sides, all sides equal, and four angles, and all angles are right angle 90 degree. In this figure these little square in each corner means these are 90 degree angle, right angle, and in square all sides are equal, all sides having same length, and S mark that has equal sides, and in square we opposite sides are parallel. A square also fits the definition of a rectangle. All angles are 90, and a rhombus, all sides are equal length. Okay, next is rhombus. In rhombus, again we have four sides and four shapes. So what is rhombus? A rhombus is a four-sided shape where all sides have equal length. In rhombus, all sides having same length, and this S represent that all sides have same length, and we have four interior angle. In rhombus, all opposite sides are parallel and all opposite angles are equal. See, A and A are equal, and B and B are equal, and opposite sides are parallel. Another interesting thing is that diagonals, dashes line meet in the middle at an angle. In other words, that bisect, cut in half each other at right angle. A rhombus is sometimes called diamond or rhomb. Next, we have parallelogram. A parallelogram has opposite sides parallel and equal in length. In parallelogram, again, we have two lines, blue and red line. Have a look, blue lines and red lines. In left or right side we have blue line, these two lines are parallel, and up and down we have red line, these two lines are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel and in equal length. And in this shape we have four angles, or all angles are opposite angles are equal. Angle A are same and angle B are same. Most important thing is square, rectangle, rhombuses all are parallelogram. Next shape we have trapezoid, trapezium. What is this trapezoid or trapezium? Wait, I will explain. So in America this shape is called trapezoid, but in the other countries like UK it's called trapezium. So a trapezoid or trapezium. So whatever you say. So this shape, a trapezoid, called a trapezium in the UK and the other countries, has a pair of opposite side parallel. See, we have in this shape we have only one pair of parallel side. Got it? We have only one pair of parallel side, and in trapezium with no parallel side. In USA and other countries, trapezoid is a shape that have a pair of parallel side and trapezium with no parallel side. In the UK, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with no parallel side, and a trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel side. And what is isosceles trapezoid? Isosceles trapezoid is a quadrilateral with two equal sides. So look at the picture, you see that left and right sides of having equal length that join to the base at equal angles. Next we have kite. It's look like a kite usually. It has two pairs of side. Each pair is made of two equal length sides that join up, and also the angles where the two pair meet are equal. The diagonal shown as dashed line above meet at right angle 90 degree. One of the diagonal bisect in the other, means one of the diagonal cut equally in half. What is irregular quadrilaterals? Irregular quadrilaterals are with no equal side and with no equal angles. And what is regular? In regular quadrilateral mean all sides equal and all angles are equal, and that is only square. So all other shapes, all other quadrilaterals are irregular. And what is complex quadrilateral? When two sides cross over, we call it a complex or self-intersecting quadrilateral like these. Look at the shapes, and they still have four sides but two sides cross over. I know this is difficult. Okay, goodbye.